Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the lesson from the Diary of Anne Frank. In our previous session, we came to know that two times Mr. Keesing gave extra work to Anne Frank because she used to talk much in the class. The topic was chatterbox. And second time he gave the topic incorrigible chatterbox. Both the times she wrote essays with convincing argument that talking is the traits of students, and especially she got that characteristics from her mother, so it cannot be avoided. Then also she tried to be white in the classroom. But after completion of two lessons, again she was talking one day. That time Mr. Keesing again gave one more essay entitled Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. Then what did she do? Now let us see that one. The class roared. I had to laugh too. Thought I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity on the topic of chatterbox. Yes, the class roared. Roared means here you take in the sense of whole class laughed by hearing that strange essay topic. I had to laugh too, and she also had to laugh at that moment, though I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity on the topic of chatterboxes, because already she had lost her ingenuity. Ingenuity means originality and inventiveness, or the ability to solve difficult problems often in original, clever and inventive ways. She already lost all her original ability to write on the same topic. Already two times she wrote on chatterboxes. Again the same topic is given. That's why she is thinking probably this time it would be very difficult for me to write this essay, because already I used all my creativity, all my originality in two essays, previous two essays. So it would be difficult. Then also she laughed at that moment. It was a time to come up with something else, something original. My friend Sunny, who is good at poetry, offered to help me write the essay from beginning to end in verse, and I jumped for joy. Yes, this time she decided to take the originality of another person. Okay, that's why she asked her friend Sunny's help. Okay, Sunny was good at poetry and she offered to help Anne Frank to write essay from beginning to end in the verse form. Verse means poem form. And I jumped for joy. By hearing this, she jumped for joy because her friend offered her to help. Okay, so hearing this, she became very happy and she jumped for joy. Mr. Keesing was trying to play a joke on me with this ridiculous subject, but I would make sure the joke was on him. Yes, by giving this kind of strange subject. Okay, Mr. Keesing was trying to play joke on Anne Frank. Okay, by this kind of strange or ridiculous subject. Ridiculous means silly, funny or a foolish subject. By giving such kind of subject, he wanted to play joke on Anne Frank. But I would make sure the joke was on him. But Anne Frank was thinking that this time the teacher himself is going to become the matter of a joke, because she was sure that she was going to write that essay. I finished my poem and it was beautiful. It was about a mother duck and father swan with three baby ducklings who were bitten to death by the father because they quacked too much. See here, she finished her poem and it was beautiful poem. It was about mother duck and father swan with three baby ducklings, babies, okay, who were bitten to death. Those ducklings, baby ducklings, were bitten to death. Okay, they were killed by the father swan because they quacked too much. Those ducklings, they were making too much sound. They used to make quack quack sound again and again. Because of that, father swan became angry and he killed those ducklings. Luckily, Mr. Keesing took the joke the right way. Yes, Mr. Keesing, after reading this poem, he became happy. He took that in a positive manner, right way. He read the poem to the class. He read the poem to the whole class, adding his own comments. Also, he added some of his comments also, and to several other classes as well. Not only in that particular class, he read that poem in other classes also. Since then, I have been allowed to talk and haven't been assigned any extra homework. Yes, after this event, she had been allowed to talk and she haven't been assigned any extra work. Any extra work was not assigned to her. On the contrary, opposite to it, Mr. Keesing's always making jokes these days. See here, Mr. Keesing wanted to change Anne Frank, but see here, contrary, he himself changed his attitude and behavior. These days, he was making some jokes in the class. Earlier, he used to be very serious. He was an old foggy teacher, old-fashioned teacher. He used to be very strict in the class. But after this event, after the essays of Anne Frank, there was a change in his behavior. He started to make some jokes in the classroom. He used to attract the children by his way of speaking. Like this, the diary entry ended here. Okay. Here we can see the matured thinking of Anne Frank in that small age. She was such a sensitive and very naughty girl, very talkative girl. Such a wonderful childhood days she used to enjoy. But unfortunate thing is that such a wonderful girl had to die at the age of 16 because of brutality of Nazis, Hitler's Nazi army. She died at the age of 16. She became victim of Holocaust. This is very painful thing. She had to die at that early age. Thank you for watching video. Let us go for the another topic in the next session.